everyone. You know, today is your art class, so you all must have a paper and a pencil with you.
Yes.
Hello, Arshian. Everyone, I'm gonna mute you all, okay? And then I start the class. Pay attention. Okay. Okay, everyone. You know the Father's Day is coming. Anyone know when Father's Day is coming? Raise your hand if you know. Raise your hand if you know. Yes, Fatma. Okay. Yes, Fatma. When is the Father's Day? When is the Father's Day?
Say again.
Fatma, I can't.
Sunday.
Sunday, which day? Mention the date. Date. Which date?
21st.
Very good. Well done. Good job, Fatma, everyone. Clap in. Okay, Fatma, I'm going to mute you. Okay, that's great. Good, Zoya. Thank you. Isma, why you put your fingers on the camera? Hello, Spike. Okay, everyone. That's great. That's great. Good job. Now, that's right. 21st June is the Father's Day. So I'm going to share you a very interesting idea to surprise your father. Okay? Well, are you interested? Show me your thumbs up if you're interested. Very good, Manahil. Oh, wow, Ali Ahmed Ammar, great. I can see your thumbs. Zoya, good, good. Fatma, I can't see your thumb. Yes, Tasbi, I can see your thumb too. Aisha, I can see your thumb too. Muhammad Ali, Isma. Zainab, I can't see your thumb. Yes, now I can see. Aliza, I cannot see your thumb. Oh, you're sharing the thumb on the screen. Good, Amar. Now you guys are getting pro and computer. Good, Ishan, I can see your thumb also. Great, Pike. Khizar, what happened to you? Why you're so upset? Oh, now I can see your thumb too. Great, great, Isma. Okay, now thumbs down. Now I'm gonna share you screen and I'm gonna show you the what interesting idea I'm talking about. Okay, get set, ready. Here you go. Can you see my screen? Everyone, can you see my screen? Yes, you can see my screen. Thumbs up if you can see my screen. Yes, now I can see your thumbs up. Good to see that. Good, good, good. Now everyone, I'm gonna show you that how can you celebrate a Father's Day. First, we need to know what is a Father's Day celebration. Father's Day is celebrated annually on the third Sunday in June. In third Sunday, remember this thing, third Sunday on June. It doesn't matter, every year the date changes. So this year it is going to be a 21st June, and it is also known as the longest day of the year. अगर आप गूगल पे जाएंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा. I will share you why it is called longest day next time. In ICT, I will share you why it is called longest day of the year. Okay, remember that. Remind me tomorrow, next class, to share you why it is called the longest day of the year. Okay, so about Father Day, what is Father's Day? I have found out a poem for you. A father's is a treasure, a brother's a comfort, a friend is both. What is mean by that? It means a father is a very treasure thing. It means it is very important thing in your life. He is a brother who comfort. He is a friend for both parents, brother, sister, and his wife. He is very important. Okay, a father is someone you look up to, no matter how tall you grow. Even when you grow taller than your father, still you want to see what father did, right? Great. Now, how to celebrate Father's Day? You can make a card. You can also make handmade flowers. You can also buy gifts, or you can cook cookies, cake, or dessert for your father. Or
Father.
yes, you're also father. You can also give him any memento for Father's Day.
No father.
Mm. Memento means anything that is rememberable to your father. Lifetime thing. Just like a handmade flower is also a memento, a memorable card is also a memento. Memento means the thing which remains throughout his lifetime, just like a calendar, or just like a memory book, or just like a card. Okay, you can go on a trip, but due to the situation, don't go on outside. Spend the whole day with your father, doing a lot of activities that you miss doing with him. Okay, write it down that what you want to do with your father, and on Sunday it is a weekend day, so do a lot of activities with your father and enjoy with him. Now, how can you make a father's memorable day? This is the idea I'm going to share with you. There are a lot of ideas and design of making a memory book for your father. Some easy and creative ideas are shown in this video. Choose any one of your liking and follow each steps for the making. Okay? Now I'm going to share you what can you make a surprise for your father. Okay, now here is the book. It is called Adventure Book Idea. Now what you're gonna do is you can take a lot of pictures, cut a lot of pictures of your father with you going outside or doing a lot of things, and then you can open a book or make a book, or you can paste pictures on it and write down the date, write down the memory you spent with him, write down the events, which what is happening, in which day it is the picture taking. Okay, and you can also make it look like that you want to do it with your father. Okay, just for example, after the situation is over and you can go outside freely, then you want to go to zoo with your father, or you want to go Aladdin with your father. Okay, you can also write it down on this adventure book. Okay, and gift it to your father so that your father know that how much you love him, how much you like him, and how much you miss him. Okay, now another idea is memory book. Now how can you make a memory book? It's the same. See, there's a lot of pictures taken, and it is written over here on the side, Ki, I love you, Papa, I miss you, Papa, on this day, or Dad, or Grandpa, whatever you want to give me. Or you can also write Daddy and me, and you can also paste pictures of yours, Daddy, from the birth till now. And you can also share him any ideas that you want to do. Okay, that will be a memory book. Previous things, it's called the past thing which you have done with your father is called memory. Okay, so it in a memory book you can paste pictures of your father and with you or your with family, special moments, anything you like to show your father, to share with him. Okay, you can paste over there and make a book look like about my father or Daddy and me, or whatever you like to name it. Now the third idea is, you can also, if you have a printer and you can take out the printouts, you can also search on the internet, Google, with the help of your parents, or especially mother. Don't surprise, give your surprise to a father, don't show it to him right now. Okay, so you can take out the pictures of me and paste it over here. You can also print out the dad, the best, his name is this, my favorite memory of my dad is this is what he always says, here is the favorite thing he likes to eat, my dad's pockets are full of this. This makes my dad laugh. When he comes home from work, he likes to dash. He's so good at this. My dad is dash years old. So you can write a lot of things about your dad and give it to him that he must forget it, that he likes to do this much. And he will say, oh my God, you remember what I like. Okay? So you can take out a lot of templates on the computer, internet, and then you can stapler, cut it out and paste it, and voila, surprise ready. Now, next idea is this. You can also draw your father on a paper and write about your dad and on the top of the paper, you can also write a book all about the best dad in the world, me and my dad. And you can do a lot of things, a lot of designs, coloring, writing, ideas. Okay, there are a lot of things you can do on about my dad book. Okay, now next is book cover designs ideas. Now, book cover means the top of your book, where it is written computer book or arts book or your name title on the top of your copy or book. It's called book cover or copy cover. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do is you design the book cover. If you are making your own book, then designs with the various ideas I shared with you. You can write, Dad, you are the best. Dad, you are awesome. Dad, I love you, my dad, because about my dad, or a memory book or adventure book, whatever you like to do. Okay. Now, book written material ideas. What can you write on the Father's Day book? Now, here are some more interesting thing I'm sharing with you about Father's Day. You can write my 2020 time capsule. What did I do in home with my father? What did I do most with my father? Which time I spent most with my father? What I enjoyed with my father doing? What I would like to do with my father in the future? I love you, Dad, because, and you can write the reason on it. Dad is the most awesome, because you can write down the most important thing that you like about your dad and surprise him, sharing him that what do you like in your dad and what do you want your dad to improve, or what do you want your dad to continue doing that. Okay, something like that, to make him smile and happy. Okay, now there's also what this tie idea I like the most. It's up to you. You can make it. You can take out the sample or a printable format from internet. Also, it is available over there, or you can make on your own. It's not a big deal. You just have to make a triangle on the bottom and a square. No, it's not a square, but it's. Can you make a tie? If yes, then show me the thumb. Boys, I think can easily make a tie. Yes. Why Ali Ahmed is so confused? Fatma, can't you understand what I'm saying? You look like Zorro. Yes, anyone? Give me thumbs up if you understand till now. Good. Seems like Fatma got the idea. Javedia, Fatma, you also got the idea, right? Wow, Amar, Aliza, Ali Ahmed, huh? Got the idea? Izma, you also? Zainab, Sleepy, why? Who else got the idea? Neha, I can see only your eyes and nose. Why? Where is your lips? Gone to sleep? Huh? Now I can see your face completely. Yes, Khizar. What are you writing? Show me. Show me what are you drawing. Ishan. Yes. Yes, Ali Muhammad Ali. Good. Yes, Zainab. Did you get the idea what to do? You can also draw right now and show me which idea do you like the most. Yes, yes, Mahad Imran, you also join. Can I see your face? Those who are not opening their face, can I see your face, please? I want to see what you guys are doing. Hi, Shamir, Zoya, Ishan, Anam Azam. Who is Anam Azam? Seems like I can't see your face. Okay, Mahad, I can see now. Wow, looking handsome, Mahad. Everyone, boys are looking handsome, girls are looking very pretty. You guys are so grown up. I haven't seen you guys since February. Oh my god, I miss you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat food, help your parents, love yourself, and do homework regularly. Isma, why are you so sleepy right now? Now I can see your smile. Good, good. Okay, everyone. Seems like you all are interested in this idea. Show me your thumbs if you would like to surprise your father. I want to see thumbs up. Good, with a big smile, everyone. Big smile. Khizar, I can see you. Fiza, I can see you now. Very good, very good. What are you drawing? Show me. Show me what are you drawing. Mahad, what are you drawing also? Show me. I want to see what you are drawing. Good. Five, you have two thumbs. Wow. I want to see your Father's Day idea. Oh, nice. Wow. What are you doing? What are you drawing, guys? Oh, good, 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 good. Zainab also showing two thumbs. Those who are showing two thumbs, I want their best Father's Day gift to your father. I want to know what your father says about the gift. Okay, everyone? Let me see once you are done with the idea. 21st June, remember the date and make a special thing up for your father and surprise him, make him happy. Spend the whole day doing a lot of activity. Don't forget to do that. Okay, your father must be tired doing a lot of works. Okay, so one day you should make him so much happy. Although you have to make him happy throughout the whole year, but you know, where some special time comes, you have to make him feel special. Okay, now let's move on. Let's move on. This is the last slide. Thank you for watching the slides. I'm gonna stop sharing and I'm gonna ask question if anyone have. Okay. Everyone, take 5 minutes break. Okay, but if you want to drink water, you can drink water while watching me. I don't mind. First tell me who is Amna Hasnat. Amna Hasnat. Javaiya Fatma, first thing you will do whenever you log in, you need to rename yourself. Javaiya Fatma. Because I need to take attendance. I won't be able to take attendance under your parents' name, okay? And who is, everyone else came with their name. Good. Tasbia, rename yourself. And who else? Okay, okay, good, good, good. Fatma is drinking water with orange cup. Fatma, I like your cup. Give it to me. I want it to. It's pink. Oh God, I can't see the color right now. It's so confusing. Aliza, I can see only your eyes. And five, why are you showing me your bed? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Fizar, I can't see you. Fizar, yes, now I can see you. Yes, everyone. Now you can unmute yourself and one by one ask me question regarding your this presentation I've shown you.
Miss.
Yes.
Miss,
One by one. Don't forget to ask one by one. Raise your hand and then ask one by one, okay? Who is raising their hand first? Yes, Aliza, you raise your hand first. Ask me question. Unmute yourself. I allow you to unmute yourself. There is a microphone picture on your screen. You can click on it and then you can unmute it. I hope you guys can see the picture of a microphone.
Miss,
Yes, Aisha Amir.
let me hear you. आप उस स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड को मतलब अगर आप उसके पिक्चर खींच के ग्रुप पे भेज सकते हैं तो आप ग्रुप पे भेज
Sorry, Aisha, speak louder.
Miss, अगर आप वो स्क्रीन दोबारा अगर दिखा देंगे तो मैं उसकी पिक्चर ले लूँगी.
No need to take picture. I will share the whole who's talking right now. Silent everyone. Okay, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna share the picture and the video into the website of school. Now from there you can copy it. Okay. Okay, Aisha.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yes.
Anyone else has question? Raise your hand. Yes, Ali Ahmad. I can see only your hand up. Say, ask question. Yes, Ali Ahmad. I can't hear your voice. Ali, I can't hear your voice. No voice, Ali Ahmad. Yes, Faik. You were raising your hand. Yes, Muhammad Ali. You were raising your hand.
I had made a card with my mouth. Mother.
Wow, very good, everyone. Give a round of applause to Muhammad Ali. Everyone, I want to see you clapping. Why? Atma, Khizar, Zainab. What's wrong with you guys? Clapping. Aisha also, Zoya. Clapping. Good, very good, Muhammad Ali. That's very beautiful. Lovely. Send a picture to me on the WhatsApp. Or, sorry, software. On software. I want to see this picture on the software. Fahad, you are raising your hand. What is your question? Everyone mute yourself once you're done with the question so that everyone get the chance to ask question, okay? Wow, it's so pretty, Mahad. What did you draw? Can you explain it? Yes, Mahad. Explain it what you draw. Is your sister or it's your mother? Or it's your father? What it is? Loud and clear. What it is? What it is? Yes. Okay. Anyone else? Very good, Mahad. That's very nice and very cute. Good job. Anyone else want to see your drawing? Show me your drawing also. What did you draw? Fatma, did you draw anything? Neha? Isma? Oh, what is your video showing? Wow, what a pretty design it is. Come closer. Show me the closer. Wow, very pretty, very pretty. Everyone, give a round of applause to Jovelia Fatma also. Everyone means everyone. Isma, Zainab, Aisha, Amir, Tasbih, I can see your faces. When you will show me something, I won't clap for you if you guys aren't clapping for others. Clap. Good job. Now, who else? Neha, you're sleeping? Really?
Teacher.
Yes, who's are? Tasbih, good.
Teacher.
Me, what? Neha, are you trying to rotate the camera to 20 degrees Celsius? Okay, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy today's session and love to do meow. Aliza Fazan, what is this? Meow.
Miss, can I show you?
Yes, show me, Fazoya. Very nice. I like the guys who raise their hand and ask question then. Very good. So pretty, Fazoya. Wow. Who draw this thing and who did you paint it or did you color it?
Color it.
Wow, it's so pretty. You can make a lot of design like this on the Father's Day book or memory card. Wow, Khizar, this is also very nice. Wow, you make a bow tie for your dad. Respect for all of you guys for putting so much effort on it. Great. Good job, Zoya. Good job. This means you guys can make a very beautiful memory book or adventure book or your dad book. Okay. I would like to see this on the next class. Can you make it? Show me the thumbs up and say yes together. Can you make it? I can't see the thrill in you guys. Can you make it? Good. Neha, can you make it? Yes, good. I am watching everyone. So, Zainab, can you make it? Great, everyone. Good job. You guys are exploring Zoom. I like it. Aliza, Zoya, Isma, Ishan, Ali Ahmed, Neha. Wow, you guys are exploring. Thumbs up and raise your hand. These are the common features on Zoom. Good to see that. Now, everyone, draw your idea, which I've shown you. I want to see just like Khizar, Zoya, and Javelia, Fatma, and everyone. Try to draw it and share me your idea. What do you like for your fathers to see? Memory book, adventure book, or about your dad book? Huh? Do you want to show your father? Memory book,
Adventure book.
adventure book, okay. And anyone else? Anyone? Huh? Anyone else?
Yes, miss.
Yes. What do you want to make? Anyone? Share. Tell me what do you want to make for your father? Adventure book, or do you want to make
Garden cake.
garden and cake? Card and cake. But I want you to make a book.
Miss, I make.
Yes, Mahat. Yes, Ammar. Very nice, Mahat. Wow. Wow, very nice. I see the book. I see the so many hearts. Seems like you love your father so much. Everyone love your father, right?
Yes.
So I think you guys can make a book, right? Yes. Yes. Now that's great.
Miss,
Make a book, which I've shown you now.
I will also make
Yes, beta.
a flower.
Yes. Ask me, only 3 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Ask me question.
Miss,
Yes.
miss,
Yes. Ask me.
I will also make a flower.
You can also do a lot of activities. I'm not restricting you, but I'm giving you a homework, which is to make a book for your father on the Father's Day. Okay, except that book, you can make a lot of things, but you have to make a book.
I can make a flower for my dad.
Yes, you can make a flower, but you have to make a book also. Okay.
Miss,
Okay.
I also make a booklet.
Very nice. You all have to make a book. All and everyone have to make a book. It is a necessary and it is a homework for you all to make a book. Everyone has to make a book. Everyone. Okay, guys. Last minute. I'm gonna show you a slide right now. Try to remember that what we have seen, and in last minute, you all have to remain silent and watch it. And I will say goodbye to you, everyone, after this. Okay, last time to see. Here are a lot of ideas. I'm going to show you one by one. See, there's a book. Can you see the idea? It is a Mother Day book, but you can do it on the Father's Day also. Okay, draw pictures, draw drawing, write it about it. Okay, you can also paste pictures. See, just like that. Like that. You can paste pictures, drawing, write it down. Okay, 1 minute. Write it down, make a book, punch it, a book about my dad, printable Father's Day book. See, you can also make a heart-shaped picture with you and your father. Are you guys watching this? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Very good, Neha. That's it, everyone. Thank you. Take care, Fatma. I see your drawing. Very nice. Very nice. Everyone, thank you for today class. Take care. Yes, I see everyone. I have to go. The class is finished. I have to take another class. Very nice, Zainab. Joey, I see your thumb also. Everyone, remember to make a book for your Father's Day. Take care of yourself till the next class. Take care of yourselves, okay? Allah Hafiz. Say, wave your hand for the bye-bye. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye. 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 Take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.